let's get into some DJI goodies. I have the Osmo Nano and the Mic Mini. I'm so excited to try these guys out. Right now I'm recording on my iPhone with no mic at the moment, but usually if I do use a mic, it's a TikTok shop quality mic. So this is definitely an upgrade. And this, I'm so excited for the front camera. Right, she's so cute. So the camera connects to the display. You know what I mean, right? Okay, so it connects, and yeah, I'm just super excited for that. So let's get into opening these. What should we try? What should we try? Let's do the mic first. Let's get into unboxing her. Take her in. ASMR. Oh. They're so cutie and small. I'm excited. I'm excited to see if this changes my audio game, my audio quality on my videos. And let me know if you think it does. Or if it was a total loss. I'm struggling. Now let's get into her. Exciting. Where are you at though? Where are you at? Here are your main pieces. Stop. So it comes with the camera, a magnetic lanyard to put on your neck to do like vlogs and stuff. Okay, cute. The multifunctional vision dock is what that's called. The dual direction magnetic ball joints. Cool. The protective case, the magnetic hat clip. Stop, for vlogs like a baseball game. That'd be so cute. And the cable. So these pieces are magnetic. Get cute. And apparently you can connect them to any magnetic surface. So a shopping cart on your vlog, a this and that OOTD outside. I love that. I don't want to take this off yet. Do I take this off yet? Ooh. I'm so excited.